Are you getting QuickBooks Error 1618 while installing or updating the software? Don't worry, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix it. What is Error 1618? QuickBooks Error 1618 pops up when you're trying to install or update QuickBooks. It usually says, "There was a problem installing Microsoft Runtime Library," or "Error install already running." This means something's wrong with the setup or your system. Why does it happen? This error can happen because another installation is already running. Your Windows installer is not working right. System files are damaged, or QuickBooks wasn't downloaded properly. Solution 1. Use QuickBooks. Install tool. First, download the QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit's website. Open it, go to Installation Issues, and click QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool. Let it run. It can take 15 to 20 minutes. This tool will fix most common setup problems automatically. Solution 2. Reinstall Microsoft Runtime. If the error continues, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime Library. Download the right version for your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Run the file and follow the on-screen steps. Solution 3. Stop MSIEXEC process. If QuickBooks won't install, another program might be running in the background. Press Ctrl+Alt+Delete, open Task Manager, go to the Processes tab, and find MSIEXEC.exe. Right-click it and choose End Task. Solution 4. Update Windows Installer. Next, make sure your Windows installer is up to date. Go to C, Windows System 32, find MSIEXEC.exe, and check its version. If it's old, download the update from Microsoft. Solution 5. Update Windows. Still stuck? Try updating your Windows. Go to Settings. Update and Security. Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install anything available. These simple steps should fix QuickBooks Error 1618. If you still need help, reach out to QuickBooks Support or leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips.